After numerous delays, a steady December rain shower didn't keep the crowds away from the grand opening of the new Rosauers Supermarket in Ridgefield on Saturday morning. The 53,000 square foot store will employ 110 people, most of whom live in Ridgefield. It features fresh produce, baked goods made fresh in the store, a full service meat counter with actual butchers on duty, hot food, salad bar, free Wi-Fi, organic produce, and much, much more.
A brick oven fired pizza, a fresh juice bar, sushi, a hot bar, a salad bar, a soup bar, an olive bar. We have a lot of bars here. And we do have some alcohol back over there, but that's not a bar.
Rosauers President and CEO Jeff Phillips says their goal is to be a good partner in the community.
A supermarket, especially in a small community like this, is more than just a grocery store. We are a gathering place where friends connect, a place where neighbors serve neighbors, and a place that serves as a forum to support the growth and the activities that improve the quality of life for every single local resident.
Ridgefield Mayor Don Stoss was on hand. He says he has a connection with Rosauers that goes back more than 6 decades.
My mom worked for Doc Rosauer in Spokane in the 1950s. We were truck farmers in Spokane, and we provided fresh fruits and vegetables for the Rosauer stores in Spokane. So when our city manager came to us and said, "Hey Mayor, there's a grocer that's thinking about coming to Ridgefield," I said, "Well, who is it?" He said, "Well, it's called Rosauers." And I said, "Oh my gosh, Rosauers, stop. We are going to choose Rosauers to come to Ridgefield," and that's what we've done.
Ready? Up in there. You're right. Oh, there you go.
The Ridgefield Rosauers Supermarket is their first location west of the Cascades, their 22nd overall. The grand opening event runs today through Sunday with a visit from Santa Claus, a tent with children's activities set up by the folks at A&A, and plenty of good deals to get you in the door. Not that they seem to be having any trouble doing that. For ClarkCountyToday.com, I'm Chris Brown.